I make different fish food for my aquatic pets. It is a part of my aquarium fish care, which I am constantly improving and simplifying. Check links in the description to the video for details. I prefer to use what grows in my aquariums to make fish food. It includes all the plants, mosses, algae, snails, shrimps, and etc. In this example, I harvest spare Frogbits. Now let's take some of the Elodea. I cut all plants, leaving the new to grow. Fast growing Frogbit, Elodea, algae and pond snails are good reliable suppliers. Share spare plants with your friends or save them for making fish food flakes. Here I trim some land moss growing underwater. Check links for details. Snails are always in excess in my aquariums. Add some of them to the food batch. Store all ingredients in the freezer until you get enough of them. Get a shoe or pizza box. Line the bottom of the box with aluminium foil. Get the collected ingredients from the freezer. Put defrosted ingredients into a blender. You may add any green leaves and vegetable peels from your kitchen. Here I add frozen peels of watermelon and potatoes. Add dechlorinated water as necessary. Blend it all thoroughly. I prefer to make small batches of different flavors for my fish to try. Pour the mixture on the foil in the box. Spread it evenly. Rest the box on a windowsill. Cover the box to prevent direct sunlight, leaving holes for air circulation. Check on the mixture every day. You should be able to crunch the dry mixture into a powder between your fingers. In this example, it took 3 days for the mixture to dry in a room with temperature of about 72-76 Fahrenheit. It could be done in one hot day on a beach while you are sunbathing. Or you can do it in an oven as shown in my previous video. Link in the description. The end result is the same. Your pet's favorite fish food flakes. Congratulations! We made fish food flakes. Keep them dry in a box and away from light. I feed my guppies once a day. Give them a pinch of flakes. It should take 2-3 minutes to eat. Feed less or skip the next feeding if it takes longer to eat. Try different ingredients to see what your fish like better. I used to add starch in fish food flakes. It works fine either way. Have fun and happy aquariums!